I have included a sample demonstration video file here. If we click it, it will take you to my YouTube channel, and you can see one of my hands-on videos. I typically include audio and text that shows students how to do the process step by step. I'm just going to jump ahead so you can sort of see how it shows the students each step of the way. So they're working, and at the very end, they would finish the project. And then students can watch this video as many times as they need to. They can watch it at home, and they can watch it in the classroom. Transferable innovation. Hybrid learning can be very effective in every subject. By recording lectures, using screencasts, and even just recording audio, students can go back and review content that they may have missed in class. This has been really helpful for students who have 504 plans and IEPs that show that they need to have 1.5 and 2 times instruction, or extra instructional materials. I typically have some kind of a written sheet for these students, but it's nice to be able to hand off an iPad to that student with a video so they can watch the whole process from start to finish again. Students who missed class can catch up without having to rely on another student's notes or help, and it also allows them to catch up at home on that week between our classes, or they can catch up by watching the video while I'm getting the rest of the class set up, and then I can step back and check in with that student with the materials, ask if they have any questions, and give them a short demo that doesn't take quite as long because they have already reviewed the basics by watching the video. So eventually the goal is to have students who've missed class or need extra time to have these resources at home so that the class can be a fully flipped classroom where they would be able to watch all of the demonstrations at home and then come into class, and it would be an almost fully flipped classroom. I still believe that in the art room, students need to be able to see the teacher's hands, the instructor's hands, to sort of see how they're manipulating the materials and how they are working with brushes and clay and that sort of thing in order to achieve the desired results. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.